What I'm, going to, what I'm about to present you is my evidence tree from Effective Presentations Workshop. My name is Oscar Alan Villarreal Rodriguez, and this is my autobiography. As I told you, my name is Oscar, this is me, and I'm going to talk about you like some sort of events. I'm going to present you my family, some hobbies that I have done, and what all of that have made me the person that I am today. These are my parents. They were very young in these photos. In this photo, they were in Puerto Vallarta. Me and my sister weren't even born. And this is my family. This is me, my dad, my sister, and my mom. This photo is by the one time we went to Disneyland. Me and my sister were like 7 or 8 years, I think, and it was a very amazing experience. These are my grandparents. This photo is from the time that I got baptized, and this photo is from the time that my parents got married. And this lady over here is my mom's mom. He's her dad, and those and he is my grandfather. And she's my sister. She's a very lovely person. I really love her. She's a year younger than me, and I think and I expect that she's a very good recorder. And this is me. My first main event of my life was obviously when I got born, my birth, because that's where all starts. The second main event of my life is when my sister got born, and I really get to know that I had a sister, that I really love her. I really try to take care of her, and despite some issue that we may have, I really love her. The third main event was getting to comprehend that I have four grandparents, and what they mean in my life, what have they helped for me in my life, it's some sort of indelible things. The fourth main event of my life was kind of tricky because that photo that I present you that from the time we were in Disneyland is because my family, well, that means my sister, me, my dad, and my mom, went to live to Phoenix, Arizona for about 6 months. And when we were 7 or 8, me and my sister, and it was a really, really nice time. I really loved the United States. I really loved studying there, and I was living with my mom's cousin, that means my aunt, and her daughters, that will be my cousins. The fifth main event in my life was a lot of time after that because it was when I was like 11 years and I got graduated from elementary school. That is kind of a simple achievement, but it's where the kind of the elementary things, the academics things starts. The sixth main event of my life was getting to be at Tec de Monterrey, getting to be there and getting to be one of the best with grades, and I live a lot of amazing things there because, for example, those photos are from my graduation because in 2014 I got graduated from middle school, and by that time I really had a lot of friends. I really have made a lot of things in elementary school that have helped me to form my personality. I, as I was telling you, I really loved Tec de Monterrey. Those 3 years were amazing. I met a lot of friends. I had very good grades, and for example, a very important event in my life was like the one time when I participated in Yoleo, a regional event tournament of reading comprehension organized by El Siglo de Torreón. Another main event of my life was to actually participate in all those soccer teams from high school, middle school, Tec de Monterrey, and Tec Milenio, because that's my favorite hobby. That's where all started. This is me. And the last event will be getting to know my high school friends. and being a tech millennial, obviously. And one of the last events was actually hanging out with my friends at, Mazatlan. That time we traveled together. He's my friend Marcelo. And the last event will be the one time that my grandma passed away. That was a very horrific experience, but helped me to become even better.